Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Indian Chieftain Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Indian Chieftain Classic with 20,788 miles passes New Hampshire's state inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, TPMS, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, navigation, an electronic windshield, and electronic locking luggage. It's been upgraded with leather engine guard covers, a tank pouch, a passenger backrest, a luggage rack, aftermarket mufflers, mirrors, and custom graphics. Powered by a 111 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Chieftain puts 119 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Chieftain has a 170 to 220 mile range. It has a 26-inch seat height and an 840-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the TPMS is inoperable and there are no keys for the steering lock or saddlebags. The bags can be locked and unlocked with the fob or button on the dash. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's finished powder on the button, a burn blemish on the seat, and a scratch on the saddlebag. This bike has one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.